Welcome to BrainCert Meeting Rooms. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy steps to create and customize a meeting room tailored to your needs. Whether it's for business, teaching, or collaboration, BrainCert Meeting Rooms enable efficient collaboration with features like permanent links, support for 20-hour sessions, vanity domains, easy sharing, and more. Let's dive in and start creating your perfect meeting room. Go to braincert.com, start your 14 days free trial, select Meeting Rooms. That directs to Meeting Rooms dashboard. Then, click Create Rooms to start making your meeting rooms. Insert your own organization logo, choose the desired avatar, change the background image of your meeting rooms. By selecting Custom, you can upload a background image from your files, enter the presenter name who can host the meeting. To select the data center region, click the drop-down to view all regions. Choose the one closest to you. All your virtual meeting room sessions will be hosted in this region, regardless of learners' locations. Vanity domains in virtual meeting rooms are personalized web addresses. Choose room type, enable open, or select password protected to secure the room. Go to Rooms to view your created rooms. You can copy the meeting link, edit, or remove. To begin your meeting, click Start Meeting. Go to Content Library and click Upload Content. Click the Select Files to upload. Choose your content from your computer, or select other options. Navigate to Rooms, select your created room, and click Start Meeting. Here's what a live BrainCert session looks like. Right there is the attendee name and a built-in chat feature for groups and private chats. Below the right is where the host can enable and disable the attendee's camera and microphone access. It's in attendance settings that the host gives each attendee permission to share a screen and collaborate on the whiteboard. In the upper left corner, you will find the settings option where you can set up your device and check the quality of video and audio by using a connection test and speed test. Additionally, you can check the compatibility of your browser and calculate the download and upload speed. Simulcast is active by default when automatic switching is turned on. Provides an optimal viewing experience by adapting the varying bitrate and changing network conditions. You can enable or disable 16:9 aspect ratios, change the language of the interface, and hide video chat or the attendee list depending on the instructor's preferences. It is possible to start or stop the recording session on the whiteboard by selecting the option at the bottom. Other options include enabling or disabling video and screen sharing. On the left side of the platform, the toolbar has the option to be pinned or unpinned, as well as the option to select a tool, such as a pencil tool, arrow tool, and elbow connector. The Shape tool has various shapes to draw. The platform allows you to choose the stroke size and color for drawing and filling. You can also use the Eraser tool, the Text tool, and the Smiley tool. With the built-in interactive LaTeX equation editor, it is now incredibly easy to create and display complex mathematical equations inside a whiteboard using a graphical UI without typing any LaTeX code. And the Wolfram Alpha is a computational knowledge engine that gives you access to the world's facts and data and calculates answers across a range of topics, including science, nutrition, history, geography, engineering, mathematics, finance, and more. A whiteboard can be made with grid paper, lined paper, or millimeter paper, also without any grid. This helps in plotting geometric patterns. In the upper right corner of the whiteboard, there is a breakout room feature that lets the instructor divide attendees into smaller groups for a collaborative learning environment. You can also teach your attendees multiple programming languages using the built-in code editor. At the bottom of the whiteboard, there is an option where you can add images and videos, share documents and presentations, and create a poll to collect feedback from attendees, which can also be used to ask questions. The document tool facilitates Google Doc collaboration. You can paste the link of the particular document to present. It is also an option to export the whiteboard as an image or PDF, and the board can be saved to the device by selecting the Save board to store and imported from local storage by selecting the Load board from storage. Attendees can enlarge their video stream over the whiteboard and play them below the whiteboard or on the top right. An instructor can end the meeting for everyone or leave the class and rejoin the class after the break. Let's dive in and start creating your perfect meeting room.